Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, on this beautiful 2001 Beneteau 311 clipper. This is a beautiful example. Looks like she's in excellent condition. Has a very recent survey. You'll see decent aft cabin as well. That's the galley. The fridge in there. It's even got the Beneteau crockery. Nav station. Obviously the heads. The shower. Looks like she's been very lightly used. To the forward cabin, has obviously got all the sails and accessories at the moment. The mast is off. She's only just recently arrived on the yard of fitting a new VHF aerial to her, so the mast will be going back on in the next week.